Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the IPSY GLAM bag for the month of September. I almost said plus. I have the plus coming, so if you're watching this, tomorrow I will be uploading the IPSY GLAM bag plus for the month of September. So if you don't know, which I'm sure you know, it is $10 a month, really affordable subscription box. You get mainly like sample or deluxe sizes, but here lately I've been really enjoying my IPSY. I tend to like the bigger subscription boxes a little bit more, but they can really surprise you with some of the things that they do. They also do add-ons every month too, so you can add full sizes for $12, samples for $3, and even the samples sometimes are really good, but I always add maybe a product or two every month unless I'm just like really not in the mood to get any of those products. They also have a new ultimate box that's going to be coming up soon, so that one's going to run you $50. So there's a 10, a 25, and now a 50 coming soon. I already signed up for it, so if you're curious, I will definitely be unboxing that. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload the unboxing of the first ultimate IPSY box. So without further ado, let's dive right in and see what we got. All right, so here's a little sneaky peek. I did do one add-on. So this is an Ofra highlight, and this is the Ofra collaboration with Madison Miller. So I wanted to get this highlight because she is a little bit on the fairer side, kind of like me. And she said that this is like her go-to all-time favorite highlight now that she's created it with Ofra. So I was really curious, and like I said, full-size items are only $12, so $12 for this. And every Ofra highlight that I have, I love. I think they're really nice. They're definitely very glowy, kind of like what I have on today, but they don't accentuate a lot of texture. They look smooth on the skin, so I really tend to like them. So this is cute. It's got her little signature on it because it's her collab, and this is the color. Again, this is called Moon Dance. So I just have to swatch it. It's like a really nice light gold. I feel like this is what I was missing from Ofra because I have Rodeo Drive, but if you're fair like me, it can look pretty yellow. So this one definitely has like that cool gold, just like, oh, so pretty. It's not icy white, but it's not gold. So I feel like this is gonna be absolutely perfect for me. Oh, I'll have to play with this really soon. Love, love, love Ofra highlights. Cannot say enough. All right, so everything else is our bag. So here we go. Our empty little mailer, and this bag is really cute. Oh, I like this bag a lot. Okay, so it's got like a little crystal zip on it, but look at the little, oh, wrong side. But look at the little constellations on it. So pretty. I don't know, what do you call this? Like canvas, or it kind of feels like tweed. Is that? No, that's not a thing. But that's the bag. Really, really cute. And let's see. Oh, the first thing is the Purely's Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. Funny enough, I actually bought a couple of these and I put one in my very last giveaway, but I actually have a full size for myself, so I'm going to add this to my next giveaway. That is coming really, really soon. I'm seriously, like, everything that I unboxed, if there's something I already have, or maybe I just don't think that I'm going to get around to using, I am adding it to the giveaway, and then I will of course purchase a few things and add to myself. But this little guy will go in my next giveaway. I really, really enjoy this. I think it's very nice. It is exfoliating, but it's not incredibly rough. It's not too rough even if you're on the sensitive side, in my opinion. But of course, everybody's skin is different. I really like it. Next we have the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. So this is the little box that it comes in. Let's open it up. I want to say I might have this as well. I will definitely look in my collection, and if I do have it, I'll definitely add it as like another little like mini goodie for my next giveaway. But it is right here. Hydrodynamic Moisturizer. I really love Murad products. I swear by their toner, the hydrating toner. You can mist it on. It's so easy. You can actually set your makeup with it too, and it actually works. Not just like facial sprays that honestly just you spray on your face and they do nothing really. That one, I feel like it makes a big difference, and I love that as my toner. But Murad has a lot of good products. I love their spot treatment. I've used moisturizers from them, serums, and yeah, definitely I've had a good experience with all the Murad products that I've personally tried. What else? Oh, I didn't even pull out the card. It says find your light. Oh, cute. It's got little stars. What next? So we have the Mush A Boom pressed eyeshadow from Phase Zero Makeup. I don't know if it's Musha Boom or Musha Boom. It makes me think of, gosh, threw it on the floor. It makes me think of, you know, those tiny appetizers called amuse bouche. I don't know why. All right, so here we go. Just a little compact. It says Phase Zero. That's a kind of cool name. Oh, here is the shade right here. And yeah, I guess Musha Boom is the name of the color. Let's swatch it. Never heard of this brand, so I'm curious to, ooh, it's very creamy. It's definitely a powder, but it's a creamy consistency, and it does have like that taupey, like mushroom gray brown kind of feel to it. I've seen other colors, you know, named that before, but really cute. Look at that together too. That would be a pretty little eye look. Just a little highlight in the inner corner. Put that on the lid. I think we could do a whole look with that. All right, next. This is the Nature's Cartel nail polish. Okay, I don't know if I'll keep this because I go through phases where I paint my nails a lot, and then phases like now where I just like can't be bothered. We'll see what the color looks like, but I do have I have a pretty big collection of nail polish. Oh, but this is pretty. I'll just take that right back. So this is the shade Rose Gold. Yeah, I'm keeping it. The name is just epic. So again, Nature's Cartel is the brand name, but that is a beautiful color. Rose Gold. That's funny. So this is like a really like metallic rosy pink. It looks so pretty, and I think this will be like a nice like transition-y fall color. Yeah, really cute. It has a little bit more of a cool tone vibe, so I feel like with like gray makeup or wearing like silver gray, I think it would look really, really cute. So yeah, I can't wait to give this polish a try. We've got one more item in our bag. So this is, oh, I got a lip gloss. So this is the full-size Ofra Madison Miller lip gloss. It looks a little funky in the tube. I mean, not necessarily that it's gonna, you know, change the formula, but I don't know if you'll be able to see. It just looks like it's separated in here. Oh yeah, it looks really separated. I mean, you can mix it up really quick with the wand, which is what I'm doing now. It's just, so I don't know, something to note. It's kind of weird, but this is a full size, so that's really cool. I think I want to pop a little bit of this. I didn't even tell you that this little eyeshadow does have a little mirror, so it's perfect. So I'm going to pop a little bit of this gloss on. Oh, you know, this kind of smells like the Physicians Formula bronzer, which, you know, if you've tried it, that's a great smell. I just went ahead and just mixed my lipstick into it. First go. Good on ya. I do stupid stuff sometimes. But that's really pretty. I think that's a very like, just like juicy lip kind of color. And even though it looks a little like peachy in the tube, it comes off more nude and it's got like that little glitter to it. I think it's a really cute gloss. I'll definitely use this. I can't find, oh, so the shade name is Smiley for Riley. I think that's her baby's name, if I'm not mistaken. I do watch her videos sometimes. I like her unboxings. I think they're really fun. So yeah, I like that gloss a lot. I think it's really pretty. Let me know what you think about this gloss. I had on MAC's Velvet Teddy on my lips, which started to look like it's just a little bit dry. So I feel like a little gloss like that at the end of the day just like perks your lips back up and looks a little bit more like plump and juicy. So I'm pretty happy with that overall. Alright, so that is everything in my IPSY for the month of September. Let me know below what you think of what I got versus maybe some of you guys got it. What did you get and what did you love about it? I'm so curious to know, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you in my little YouTube family. I do giveaways. I do vlogs every single Monday, and yeah, I try to do 3 to 4 videos a week. I love doing like makeup videos, subscription boxes, whatever, but if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see, be sure to leave that in the comments below. Also, like I said, turn on those notifications. I will have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus up tomorrow, and then a couple of days ago I did upload my Boxy Luxe as well, so if you want to check that out, you can go check it out on my channel, and it will be linked below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!